Hello everybody, welcome back. Going to have a look at AI. So a coin that no one really cares about, and I don't blame them. I mean, I bought this based upon this support line here, and like I say, it's a bit of a gamble. I said it right from the beginning, but now I feel compelled to make videos on it, and I've even joined the Telegram forum. So so I suppose this is for you guys. Right, so this is the deal. The Bollinger Bands are pinching like never been seen before for a chart that doesn't really have much history. You know, it's not a big deal, but it's an interesting time, I suppose, to play this. And for those who are looking to, I suppose, invest into something as reckless as this, you know, it's not for me. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not to say, you know, this is the time to buy or anything. But if you do have some money that you don't want to see again, and want to take a risk on something that could work out, as opposed to, we're pretty much on the money right now, back down at about between 2 and 2.1 cent is where it's all going on. Now, if we have a look a little bit closer at what's going on with the actual chart, we have had a couple of little pumps, right? Tiny pumps. I mean, they're not tiny. I mean, they're okay for what they are. They're okay, but they're smaller each time. This one all the way up to here at 2.8, and this one over here at 2.7. And came straight back down again, all the way up, straight back down again, back down to the support, to which where we are at right now. Now, you might think, this can't be that good of a support, we broke down even further. I don't know why my support line is there. It's supposed to be a bit of a different, it's not actually supposed to be there. And to be honest, we'll get rid of this Bollinger Band. It's not really helping. You've seen the fact that this is pinching. That is a sign that volatility is likely to enter this chart. And again, let's just stand back and admire what this chart looks like. It's pretty awful stuff, to be fair. It's pretty awful. So volatility is likely to creep into this soon. Now, if we look at where we're getting rejected from, candle body closures especially, it's the 21 moving average here. This is the 21 moving average. So, exponential moving average. So almost the center of the Bollinger Band, but this one seems to have it even more. A flip above this zone would likely cause an uptrend, right? So this is why we're getting rejected from here. The sell orders on this coin are intense, right? They're absolutely massive, and I don't blame them. Anyone who wants to sell this on any kind of pump, you just can't blame those people. This is for a mid to long term hold, you know. And again, the idea is that I was buying something that could potentially be at the absolute bottom. Even if we do recreate something along these lines and a pump of that size, we would be looking for a 300% move from where we are right now. And if we go further than that, then yeah, we could be looking at some significant, serious gains, right? So I'm not saying that these are all going to happen. This is very, very speculative. The chart's not giving us much to go by. If you have a look at here, the MACD has been curling up ever so slightly, slowly but surely, but still below the 0 point, which is not a place to be. Crossing up above there would be more bullish. This looks to me like a standard accumulation kind of vibe, really, and that would also go hand in hand with why there's so many sell orders keeping us below these zones. Traders wanting to make some money, take some money. People who are stuck significantly underwater want to get out of the trade, want to take some money. There's a clear place to take that money, which is 21 exponential. The chances of us breaking above there, in contrast to us being rejected from there, you know, I think the odds are in the favour of a breakdown. However, you know, the bulls will be rewarded once this is taken out, not just with a wick, but with a candle body close. And then we can start to get some curvature on these moving averages. But for the moment, you know, let the accumulation continue, which is essentially what's going on. The reason I think this is going to end within a 2 month period, so a 2 month period from now, so we're talking September, October, is that I generally, you know, if the market remains okay, if Bitcoin remains okay, there's so many altcoins out there that have been pointing all the way since April, May. They've been pointing to an October breakout. So that's basically a breakout for the market as a whole. If this could break out with the market and just get itself above that 21 EMA, then this one will start to do an uptrend of its own. We've never really had an uptrend on this one. This one doesn't really count. We've not really had an actual uptrend. And I'd be very interested to see what that uptrend is going to look like. Not for my own balance, basically, but just to see if it's as aggressive as I think it probably will be. Now, there are other things, from what I understand, you know, staking and mainnets and all these other things that are going to come out sort of towards the end of this year. And so if that does coincide with what I see the market doing around October, then this one probably will work out. But I have to say, don't watch this video and say, well, he's bought it, let me buy it. That if you buy this, you have to be prepared to not see your money ever again. All right, it's that simple. You're not buying into strength. You're buying into what could be an accumulation phase. Could be. You're not buying into any form of strength. You're going to be stuck in a trade which might take months to play out, and it might just be completely underwhelming when it does play out. My expectation is that it won't be that underwhelming, but I am not under any illusion that this is going to go all the way to $1 million per coin or anything like that. I would certainly be looking to take profit at this level to start with, 6 cents, and then incrementally further and further up, another on at 8 cents, and then some more at 14 cents, and I'll let the rest ride. That is the deal. That's how I would play this one. Do not get too greedy with anything in crypto, but especially something that looks like this. We don't have any kind of history on this one. We don't even have really any kind of bullish outlook on it until we've at least reclaimed this descending moving average, 21 exponential. Anyway, I'll leave it with you there. Hopefully that puts this coin into a little bit of context. It's not good, it's not great, and there is an opportunity here, but that opportunity could turn into very salty tears if the market breaks down, or if this basically continues to break down and breaks down below 2 cents. That would be very, very, very bad for this coin, and we'd have to wait probably a lot longer than 2 months for this one to come out of there. Right, I'll leave it with you there. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.